Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Koneru Humpy and Clive Waters. This amazing chess game was played in England in 1999. Everybody knows who Koneru Humpy is. Koneru Humpy is one of the greatest women chess players of all time. And who is Clive Waters? He is a chess player from England. And his rating is 2064. How many moves it would take Koneru Humpy to crush Clive Waters? What do you think? Okay, let's have a look at the game. Koneru Humpy had white pieces and she started with knight to f3. Clive Waters played knight to c6, g3, e5, d3, f5, c4, knight to f6, bishop to g2, bishop to b4 check, knight from b to d2, and both players castled king's side. White's pawn structure is that one of king's Indian attack, and black pawn structure is Dutch defense structure. What would Dutch defense player play in this position? What do you think? Clive Waters played queen to e8. The queen is on the way to h5. a3, asking a question. Bishop takes on d2. Bishop takes on d2, and white has a bishop pair. But it will not prove relevant for the rest of the game. d6, bishop to c3, queen to h5. There is no immediate danger to the white king, so Koneru Humpy decided to expand on the queen side, b4. Black to move. Dutch defense players would love to have this position. What would the Dutch defense players do in position like this? Well, they like to play f4 to open the file for the rook. b5, attacking the knight, knight to e7, c5, bishop to h3. Of course, d takes on c5 is not recommended because of knight takes on e5. So, Clive Waters played bishop to h3. Pretty good move. c takes on d6, c takes on d6, rook to c1, fighting for the open file. Black to move. How would you continue? Clive Waters played knight to g4, bringing the dragon knight closer to the white king. Queen to b3 check, king to h8. Bishop to e1. Is white intending to invade the 7th rank? What can black do about that? How should black stop the invasion on the 7th rank? What would you do? Well, this is just a trick question. What happens now is a pattern to remember. First move. F takes on g3, opening the file for the rook. H takes on g3. Black to move. What now? Please pause and find the best move for black. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this awesome exchange sacrifice? Kaboom! Removing the defender of h2 square. Bishop takes on f3. Pawn takes rook. Would not help for the obvious reason. We have bishop takes on f3. Black to move. Black played the move when white resigned, and the move is bishop to g2. Koneru Humpy resigned in view of this continuation. Bishop takes on g2, queen to h2, checkmate. That was an awesome combination, wasn't it? After the game, journalists asked Clive Waters what did he eat for breakfast, and Waters told them that he had a ham sandwich. For the next couple of weeks, the sale of ham sandwiches went through the roof. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.